to convert AVI file to MP4 file. Fast, free, and high quality. When do you need to convert AVI to MP4, and why? For better compatibility. AVI files don't always play everywhere. Converting to MP4 makes your video work smoothly on almost any device. How to convert AVI to MP4? First, open up any video converter. Click to open Format Convert tool. Next, drag in your AVI file or just import it into the program. Then, head over to the output settings and set the format to MP4. You can also tweak things like the aspect ratio, resolution, or video quality if you want. For more control, you can adjust the encoder, frame rate, bitrate, and even the audio settings. This way, your MP4 comes out as sharp and high quality as possible. And when everything looks good, just hit the Convert Now button at the top right. In a few moments, your MP4 file will be ready to go. Now, why use any video converter? It's super quick, even with large AVI files. You get smaller files, but the video and audio still look and sound great. It's not just AVI to MP4. You can convert between more than 20 different video and audio formats. And it's more than a converter. Download videos, enhance them with AI, trim, crop, add subtitles, or tweak effects before you export.